The carpet sweeper, invented by Melville Bissell in 1876, was a significant improvement over traditional brooms and had a significant impact on the world in several ways. Improved cleanliness. The carpet sweeper made it easier to clean floors and carpets, improving cleanliness in homes and public spaces. Increased efficiency. The carpet sweeper allowed for more efficient cleaning, reducing the amount of time and effort required to clean floors and carpets. Health benefits. The carpet sweeper improved health by reducing the amount of dust and allergens in the air, which can be harmful to people with respiratory problems. Job creation. The carpet sweeper led to the creation of new jobs in the cleaning industry, which has become an important sector of the economy. While the carpet sweeper has been a significant improvement over traditional brooms, there are still ways that it can be improved. One area of improvement is in developing more advanced and efficient carpet sweepers that can handle a wider range of cleaning tasks and provide better performance on different types of surfaces. Another area of improvement is in developing more sustainable and eco-friendly carpet sweepers that use less energy and have a lower environmental impact. Additionally, there is a need to improve the ergonomics and user-friendliness of carpet sweepers, making them easier to use and reducing the risk of injury or strain. Finally, there is an ongoing need to integrate carpet sweepers with other cleaning technologies such as vacuums and steam cleaners, which can enhance their functionality and usefulness in everyday life.